Hi all. Today in this session we are going to learn how we can add a comment as well as how we can attach a picture in the cell in MS Excel. So if you can see in my screen, this date format is not correct. So let's suppose I got this Excel sheet for review and I need to review this data and send it back to the person who created it. Okay, so let's say this date format I found is not correct. So I need to give that review. Okay, instead of giving review in person, what I can do, I can put a comment in the Excel sheet. So how we can do it? Just select the cell, go to the review, and there is a new comment. Click here, and here you can see, here you can put date format is not correct, or correct the date format please. Correct the date format please. Like that I can give the review. So click, so you can see a small rectangle, red rectangle come over here. That means there is a review given by my reviewer. So like that I can put my comments in the Excel sheet itself. So this is how we can put the comments in the review. Let's say I wanted to attach a picture also against the student name. For that, how we can do it? Select this student name cell, go to the review, under the review go to the new comment, and here this is basically for adding a comment, but we can use this as well to create, to attach the picture. So just remove everything in this comment box, right click, just select this small square, you can see, right click, and right click, you can see this format comment. Click over here, go to the colors and line, and in the color section there is a drop down. Click on drop down. Here you can see the fill effect. Click on fill effects, and there you will get an option pictures. Select this picture, select the picture from your laptop, your file, and I have one picture, daughter, my daughter pic. So insert this, click on OK, click on OK. So see here the picture has been attached under this student. Okay, so if you want you can resize it. So whenever your mouse is hover over here, your okay, if I mouse over here, I'm not getting it because I have not attached the picture. So likewise for each and every cell, wherever you wanted to attach a picture, you can do it. If I mouse over on the Akshima, I'll get my daughter's picture over here. So you can resize it as well. Okay, how we can resize? Go to the added comment again. If you wanted to comment, add it, you can comment it. If you wanted to delete this comment or this picture, okay, so what you can do it, you can have an option to delete the comment. Okay, you can do like this. So this way, you under the review tab, using the comment section, you can either provide the comment as well as you can attach the picture. Okay, so if I put the another cell, I'll tell you again one more time. Remove everything from the comment box. Okay, right click, format comment, go to the comment section. Okay, here you will get a option. Click on cancel. There is an option, let's say edit comment, and right click, format comment, and in format comments, colors and line, go to this drop down, go to fill effects, and there you will get an option pictures. Select the picture and load it over here. Then you will get a picture attached to your cell. So this way you can attach a picture as well as you can attach the comments also. If you wanted to remove the comments, select that cell and click on comment, delete. So as soon as you delete it, you can see there is no rectangle, triangle red area over here. So this is, I got this. So how we can do it? To change the date, this value into the date format, there is a shortcut control plus semicolon. Okay, so you have to press control plus semicolon to convert into to date. So here I have a marks. Okay, I wanted to change it into the percentage. So how we can do it? All you have to do is control shift and percentage sign in your keyboard. Okay, control shift and percentage sign. So like that you will get it. If you wanted to make change it, the number into the currency, all you have to do is control shift and dollar. See, this way you have you can change your number to dollar to currency, or you can change your number to percentage. You can change your number to the date format. This is a shortcut, control comma, to change into the date format. But if you wanted to change also, there is an option format cells. If you wanted to format particular cell, so there is an option here. Here you can change that number into the number format, okay, in currency, in date format. If you wanted to change that cell, the value which is presented inside the cell, you wanted to change it to the date, there are a lot of date formats, you can choose it. Okay, if you wanted to change it to time, percentage, fraction, scientific, text, spatial. Okay, if you wanted to give this special characters to your cell, okay, then you can use like that as well. But better if you know the shortcuts to display the cell into the date, control comma, that is a shortcut. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much.